I'll keep it.
Thank you.
Do you know, Maya? My mom says that if you have sweets from someone's house, then it improves your friendship. And I just had 2 scoops of ice cream from your house, which means twice the friendship. So, my friend, tell me, who is that special person in your life?
It's important that Mom stays outside the house today. Today I'll put an end to Rishi and Rudra's story. There is someone in my life who has become very special.
Brother, didn't you bring gift for Maya? Don't you want to gift her? Then go ahead.
Should we open this?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, then let's open it.
Rish, it's Maya's gift. Let her open it.
It's the same thing whether I open it or her.
It's okay. Open it.
Wow, bro.
Alcohol? Didn't we decide to gift something else?
It will be useful. Why don't we...
Nice idea. By the way, I have a better idea. Let's play truth or dare, okay? So the rules are, if you give honest answer to the questions, then the person who asks the questions will drink 1 shot, and if you don't, then you will have to have a shot. Same with dare. Okay? Simple? So let's play.
Truth.
Anu, is the perfect chance. Ask him.
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of everyone. I know what he's going to say. No, no.
You are such a boring. Leave it, okay?
Truth.
Awesome. So, who brought you here? I mean, there are many other publishing houses and so many people, but you came to Rudra. What was so special about Ruan that you came here?
It was not about Ruan. It was about the people at Ruan. The loyalty, commitment, and passion I was looking for. I found them at Ruan. I found them in Rudra. So yes, that's what got me here. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Why do you hate love so much? How long will you run away? Someday you'll have to be in a relationship.
Well,
Tell me, Rudra, why do you hate love so much?
Yes, brother, Maya is right. Running so much will make you a marathon runner. Please tell us what's the matter. I'm tired of asking him. Truth.
what's the name of your girlfriend?
Well, baby?
Really?
Yes, I call my girlfriend as baby.
Don't lie. Come on, drink the shot.
But
Truth.
okay, so what's so special about your special one?
Speciality doesn't lie in a person. It lies in the eyes of the beholder. If you see with the world's view, then you will get millions like him. But if you see with my view, then he's one in a million.
Your turn.
Dare.
Okay, so give me a hug.
Bad luck, Rishi. This is called putting your head inside a lion's mouth. Maya doesn't like to be touched by anyone, so let it be. Sit down.
It's Maya's dare. Come on, Maya, show some courage. Come on.
Rish, behave yourself. You can't force a girl with an excuse of a game. It's a matter of shame for boys. You should know how to respect women.
Maya, your shot.
Okay, let's go. Game over.
Yes, let's go. It's already late.
Hey, why are you leaving? We just began. Come on, guys. Come on, please stay.
Rish,
Yes, okay. Bye, baby. Bye.
Why do you hate love so much?
There's only pain in love. Hence, I hate her. There's only agony in love. Thus, I hate her. There's only darkness in love. Hence, I'm running from her. Rudra Roy is lost somewhere on the path of love. Hence, I am looking for him. But I still haven't found him.
Maybe you were looking in the wrong places until now.
तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा सन ले गया तू फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा आदत है तू बुरी या सजा तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
What is happening to me? I'm supposed to hurt Rudra, but am I starting to love Rudra? No way. This can't be. Not now. Never ever. Thank God you are back. I want to tell you something.
run! Why, Maya? Why? Why? The pain that I was running away from for years, you brought me face to face with that very pain. Why? I can't do this, Maya. Please don't make me go down that road again. Please, 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 please. I'm so shattered that I'll end up hurting you, Maya. Oh God, I can't be so selfish. I can't be so selfish. I just fled from there. What must Maya be thinking? I have to talk to her. I have to talk to her.
तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा संग ले गया तू फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा आदत है तू बुरी या सजा तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
Maya! Maya, please talk to me, Maya. I want to talk to you just once. Maya! I don't deserve your love, Maya. I'm not worthy. Maya, listen to me just once, please. Don't talk to me for lifelong if you don't want to. Please.
Tell me.
Yes, uncle. I have received your gift. I wanted to give it to you.
Very good, Ankit. You are Rishi's true friend.
Absolutely, uncle. I can sacrifice my life for Rishi.
Hey, mister.
Go from here.
Where should I meet you?
Uncle, meet me at the construction site. And come soon because your gift is waiting for you.
Your day will be good.
I'll get down and slap you. Go from here.
Will you slap me? Just wait and watch. My curse will ruin you, idiot. I curse you.
Amir, the work has been done.
Maya, please open the door. I've told you sorry so many times. How many times do you want me to plead? Tell me. I'm not a wind-up toy, Maya, who will dance to your tunes whenever you want me to. I've played this game once. I won't play it repeatedly.
Where did Maya go?
Why isn't Rudra answering the call? Do you have any idea? Rishi, I am talking to you. Will you say something?
What should I say? Do you say anything which makes sense?
By the way, why were you hugging Maya today? Don't you know that you have a girlfriend? If she gets to know, then she will be hurt.
What would she be hurt with in this? She's your star writer. And I was just fooling around with her. Brother was acting so strange. Didn't you see how he was roaming around Maya?
Actually, I cannot understand what both you brothers keep doing. I feel that she has cast a spell on both of you.
Ananya, I want to talk to you.
What did you have to talk that you sent Rishi outside the house? Poor guy.
I'm very bad, Ananya. I'm neither a good brother, nor a good son, nor a good friend. Whenever there is a problem, I just come to you to burden you with my problems.
Did you finally realize that you act well? Have you got a movie or what? Drama queen? Will you tell me what is the problem?
I've done something stupid. I made a mistake. Anu, have you ever fallen from a swing? You feel for a second that you're flying and you're on the ground the next second. You feel for a second that you have everything, every happiness. Nobody can stop you. The next second, people will be laughing at you the next second.
Rudra, is everything alright? What happened?
I had forgotten that there is no happiness in my life. There is only pain.
You are scaring me, Rudra. Is everything alright?
And I've realized that me and happiness have some issues. But there's only one place where all my pain, my ups and downs and my happiness, everything, you know, you are the only person who can take good care of me, trust me. You'll always take care of me, right? I'm sure you won't leave me. Tell me you won't leave me, please. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Will you marry me?
No! No! Please, please. Please don't do this. Please get me out of here. Please get me out of here. Please get me out of here. I must get out of here. I have to get out of here, please. Please get me out of here. Somebody help! Help me! Please help me!
Rudra, I'm sure this is a joke.
Do you know what marriage actually means? It's something where two people are ready to live together. They like each other a lot. They can make each other laugh and care for each other. So this is how we are, right? I care for you. And I like you a lot, trust me. I'm ready to live my life with you. And you are the only person in this world who I can be comfortable with. You think I must be joking, right?
Somebody help! Please help me! Please get me out of here! Please, somebody! Please! Oh, please! Please! Help me! Please, please get me out of here. Please, somebody. Please save me, please.
My curse will ruin you, idiot!
I don't care, Rudra. Now that you have asked me, then it's a yes. Yes, yes, yes. Don't you dare betray me now.
I'll never betray you. But I must tell you the truth, Ananya. I am marrying you.
I know the reason, Rudra. You are trying to run from love, from yourself. But it's okay because you are with me now. You have taken a very smart decision today. I love you.
I have received your gift.
Where do you want to meet?
Please take me away from here. Please take me out from here. Please take me out from here. Please, please save me. Please save me. Please save me. Save me, please save me. Please, please save me from here. Take me out.
I
I know you don't love me. It's okay, Rudra. Being your best friend is enough for me.
Anu, I'll never betray you. Even if I can't give you my love, but I promise that I'll be a good husband.
Even if you don't become that, I'll make you one. I've made you a good friend. I'll make you a good husband too. God, this is so cool. I was thinking all those things about you and Maya. I thought that you had gotten caught up with Maya.
Anu, I want to tell you something about myself. About the reason I hate love so much. About what happened 10 years ago. And what happened for me to have come to you now. Anu, you have to know this, that
Not today. Not now. Let everything that happened in your past stay in the past.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.